I'm in the Golden Sands model of Coconut Cay. That's the Coconut Cay development in Miami Gardens. It is absolutely gorgeous. Look at this family room. Look at this family room. This is not to be believed. The square footage in this home is unbelievable. You know, at the height of the bubble, you could barely get a little condo for what they want for these homes. This is a deal to be had. Trust me when I tell you, you owe yourself a trip to 207 and 441 to Coconut Cay. I mean, look at this beautiful backyard. Look at that pool. It's like your own little mini lagoon. Oh, you can dream away, daydream away part of the afternoon. Because what you're going to save here, you won't have to kill yourself to pay for it. You will not be house poor. You come here, they're so affordable, and that's one of the things that D.R. Horton really wanted to do, was keep these homes at an affordable price point, and they have done it without sacrificing anything. Sometimes you get the hard sell, and you think, everything is here. The quality is here, the workmanship, the craftsmanship, it's what they're about. D.R. Horton does an unbelievably fantastic job. You will not be disappointed. I promise it's going to knock your socks off. Beautiful. Look at this. It is absolutely stunning. We're in the Golden Sands model, but they've got all kinds. They've got ranch style, they've got 2 stories. We're talking 3 and 4 and 5 bedroom homes at prices you will not believe. They make it possible for you to get in here with financing. They qualify you right here on the site. They're open 7 days a week, and you can check them out on the web. D.R. Horton, drhorton.com. That's easy to remember, Horton, drhorton.com.